This video is sponsored by Bipolar Broadheads, Wheeler's Whitetails, Hunter Safety System, Third Arm, Extreme Archery Products, Plot Watcher, and Virtual Sign-In Board.
Welcome to Season 5 of Turkey Thumpers. Hold on, really? Season 5? These guys are still going at it? I can't believe they've paid me to do 5 of these intros. Anyway, the Turkey Thumpers crew is all about hunting with family and friends in God's great outdoors. I wonder, do they really know how to thump turkeys? Wow, after seeing that, I'd say they do. Come along with them for their 2015 season of Turkey Thumpers.
Welcome to Turkey Thumpers. It's the opening weekend of the Georgia hunting season, and I got one. Stay tuned.
Yeah, he's down. Whew. Dang, that was fast. Holy. I was not ready for that. Ooh, holy. I was not ready. That was bad footage. They flew down. It is very early, and they just flew down. They flew down literally right on top of me, about 20 yards that away. They flew down, and I had just got the camera rolling, and I saw him, the one I shot, fly down, and immediately he bulked up and started strutting, and I'm like, okay, that's the one I'm gonna shoot, because I have my glasses on, because my allergies have been preventing me from having my contacts in, and there were a lot of them. I couldn't tell how many jakes or gobblers, or hens, but this one looked the biggest, and I think he was, because he was the one that was strutting as soon as he hit the ground, and I started spooking them because I had my gun laying against the tent, and I was picking it up and moving it, and then he just started walking across the lane. He has a really white head, and I saw that, and he was strutting all the way across over to Joe, and I made a lot of noise, but he didn't really care. He he was so fixed on Joe, all the other birds were off, like, clucking, giving off warning signs, and I just popped him. As soon as he got away from Joe, that was so fast. I didn't think it would be that fast.
So as you saw, this hunt was fast and it was exciting. I had hunted in Florida with my dad the past weekend, and we didn't get anything. We didn't really see much. So when we came up to Georgia, we were kind of in despair, as you would say. And then me and my dad both got one today, and it was pretty fun. My dad had put me on a spot where he knew a bunch of birds, 10 to 15, had roosted nearby, and as soon as light was going on, they all flew down, and I had to hurriedly turn the camera on and get my gun up, and it was pretty hectic. Also, I was fighting off allergies as well the whole morning. I almost called it off, but I didn't, and this came from it. And this is the first bird I got when I'm hunting all by myself. It's also the first of this season, so I'm pretty proud of it. Also, it's bigger than my dad's, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.
You had to put that in there, didn't you?
Yes.
Thanks for watching Turkey Thumpers. Say it.
Thanks for watching Turkey Thumpers.
If you like this show, watch our other shows at hunt365.tv. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button on the screen, or connect with us and receive notices of all our new episodes by liking our Facebook page.